What I wish I knew at first, dingoes aren't just wild dogs. They're a unique story of survival. Here's the quick version. Dingoes first arrived in Australia over 4,000 years ago, probably with seafaring humans. They're not wolves. Genetically, they sit between domestic dogs and ancient Asian canids. Average weight, about 13–20 kilograms. Lean, athletic, built to hunt rabbits, wallabies, sometimes fish. Socially flexible lone hunters, tight-knit family packs. They communicate with yips howls, that iconic, eerie wail. Dingoes help control pests. Conflict with livestock leads to controversial management, legal protection in some regions. Respect them from a distance. They're clever, wild, uniquely Australian.